Welcome back to another video, guys. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be comparing MicTuning versus OneUpLighting 8-piece rock kits. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit subscribe. We're trying to get now. Before we get into it, the MicTuning lights did come off the 2017 Silverado, so we've already kind of seen them and seen how bright they are, and I really liked them. But we did run into a lot of issues with the app and an iPhone. But we have this one set up, ready to go. We're going to hook it up to a 12-volt battery, close the garage doors, check out the brightness, check out the materials, and then we're going to do the exact same for the OneUpLighting. Now, OneUpLighting did send us this 8-piece kit, so make sure you go check them out. All their information is down below. Awesome company. We did have the tailgate light bar on the truck. That is awesome as well. It's done really good for us. We've had it kind of in snow, ice, in the heat already, and so far it's doing phenomenal. So if you want to see that video, I'll leave a link up here for it as well. So let's get into checking out these lights. First things first, guys, there are two main components to these kits, and that is your pods themselves and the control box that is going to mount underneath your truck. So you want to make sure that is of good quality, because it's going to be taking the impact of all the vibrations, all the rain, the dirt, and that sort of thing. We found a creative place to mount the old MicTuning one, and I'm hoping I can find a similar area on the new truck. Now, both pods feel pretty close to the same in weight. They look to be made of the same exact material. They even have the stamped marks, identicals. Now, both of these are red, green, blue kits. They're not red, green, blue, white, I believe it is. But your MicTuning only has 3 LEDs. Your OneUpLighting has a total of 7. Alrighty, so the second piece here is going to be the control module itself, and as you can see, they do look quite a bit different. MicTuning is going to be on this side, and it has 2 individual leads, and the box is plastic. It doesn't feel very sturdy, but I did have this on that truck. We did go through rain, water, mud, snow, and we had absolutely 0 issues. On the OneUpLighting side of things, this is a metal or aluminum, I'm not sure, but it's not plastic, and it looks like a more sturdy case. It's a smaller case, which is going to help us in our mounting, and it only has 1 with our 8 leads coming out of it. 1 little tail with 8 leads versus 2 with 4. Alright, guys, so I know it's not 100% dark in here. We do have some windows on the garage doors, but we'll get a rough idea of which one's going to produce more lighting. Alrighty, guys, trying to get them in a dark spot underneath the tractor here, because we do have some outside lighting on the garage. So, you know, these are very bright lights. They do work very well. And once again, if you haven't seen them on the truck, I'm going to link it up top here. Make sure you go check those out. Some colors are brighter than others, but these are pretty bright lights. Alrighty, guys, so there you have it. MicTuning and OneUpLighting. Who's going to be brighter? Now, we still have the original footage from the 2017, and once we get the new ones installed on the truck, we'll do a side-by-side comparison and show both of them to truly see which one is brighter. But from the looks of it, I'm kind of liking OneUp better. It is a true waterproof box. The app is so much more user-friendly. I will be putting some screenshots up here of both sides of the different features on the app, so make sure you stay tuned for that. We may be getting into that. Let me know if you have any questions. Once again, like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed.